So another popular abalone dish during Chinese New Year is braised abalone with mushrooms. But this time, I'm going to add noodles. It's going to absorb all that lovely sauce. Just so delicious. So there are a few things you need to prep beforehand. First, you need to soak these dried mushrooms. I've already soaked one batch overnight. Squeeze out all the excess water. Next, we're going to slice them into thin strips. First, we'll need to remove the stem. Then cut the mushrooms into thin slices. You can use any mushrooms for this, any dried mushrooms for this recipe. Shiitake mushrooms, Chinese mushrooms. Okay, the mushrooms are done. I'm also going to add dried scallops in this recipe. I have already soaked these dried scallops for about 30 minutes. Now remove the water. Don't throw the water away, we're going to use it later. Now I'm going to break the dried scallops into thin strands. Just gently press it and then pull it apart like this. I'll be using canned abalone for this recipe. These are simply brined in water and salt. You can also use those that come with ready-made sauce. Just adjust the seasoning accordingly. Okay, we're going to separate the water from the abalone. Again, don't throw the water. We will need it for the sauce later. Okay, all the ingredients are prepared. First, we're going to cook the noodles, then prepare the sauce, and then we're going to bring the whole dish together. Once the water comes to a boil, place the noodles into the pot. You can use any noodles for this recipe. I'm using egg noodles. Cook according to the packet instructions. Now, it's better to undercook the noodles than overcook it because we're going to cook the noodles again with the sauce. Remove the noodles from the pot. Now rinse it with some cool water to stop the cooking process. And set the noodles aside. Once the wok is hot, add oil, scallops in, shallots, garlic. I'm going to add just a bit of oil. Saute until fragrant, then add mushrooms. Saute the mushrooms until fragrant, or you'll start to see the edges of the mushrooms turn golden brown. Then add the scallop water. Add the abalone water. Chicken stock. Light soy sauce, Russian wine, some abalone sauce. Bring to a boil, then simmer for about 45 minutes. Okay, it's done. Season it with a bit of salt, some sugar, and then a few drops of sesame oil. I'm also going to thicken the sauce with some cornstarch mixture. Just make sure you mix it thoroughly before adding in. It is slightly too much liquid. Now I'm going to cook until the sauce thickens to the right consistency. Okay, I think I'm happy with the consistency of the sauce. It's slightly thicker. You also want to make sure you get the right consistency before you add the abalone and the noodles. Add the abalone, add the noodles. The abalones don't take long to cook. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Give it a good mix. You don't want to overcook the abalones because it will turn tough. Now I'm also going to add some fresh ginger. It's going to lift up the whole dish and make it more fragrant. And once everything is mixed well, it's done. Okay, now it's done. Can't wait to try this. Get some noodles, some mushrooms, abalone, some sauce, and some broccoli. This is so good. It's simple and so delicious. You have to try this.